An exit pop-up is often used to deter visitors from leaving your website. How it works is that when someone tries to leave your website, a box pops up with a call to action on it. Most exit pop-ups will ask you whether you really want to leave the page and provide an option to stay on so that you can receive some sort of special offer or discount. Opt-in forms are often incorporated into pop-up boxes as well, as a means of building your list and getting leads into your sales funnel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an exit pop-up for your landing page with Optimize Press. What you want to do is select a landing page you want to insert an exit pop-up. Then, under the Optimize Press tab, launch the Live Editor by clicking this button. You're now looking at a test squeeze page that I've created beforehand. Next, click on this Add Element button. In this search bar, you want to search for the Overlay Optimizer. When it shows up in the results, click on it. Next, you'll come to this page where you can get to select styles. To create your exit pop-up, you want to select this No Style option. You'll then be brought to this page. Scroll down to the Overlay Pop-up section. Now, what you want to do is check this box here, enabling Exit Intent. This means that your pop-up will come up whenever a user moves their cursor outside the main browser window. Basically, the pop-up will trigger when your visitor shows even the intention of leaving your site. Now, just scroll all the way down and select Insert. Next, you want to create the content of your exit pop-up. To do this, click on this Add Element button. And again, select Add Element. Now you are free to insert any element from this list into your exit pop-up. You can choose to add anything you like. Maybe an opt-in box or even a text and audio combo. For now, I'm just going to add plain text, so I'll search for the element here and then click on it. And I'll select this here. And for now, I'll just type in test, but you probably want your pop-up to say something like, "Are you sure you want to leave?" Anything you can say to get your visitors to reconsider. And once you've filled in the copy, just hit Insert. And on this page, select Update. And you're done. Now, to be on the safe side, let's test out our exit pop-up to ensure it's working. Select Save and Close. And now click on View Page. So this is our dummy squeeze page. To test if our exit pop-up is working, I'm going to drag my cursor towards the X in the top right corner. And there you go. You can see that the pop-up has come up and is working just fine. And that's how you can create your exit pop-up with Optimize Press. Thank you for watching.